Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. Today we are going to practice day 7 out of 21 days of yoga practice. I hope you are practicing all other days also. If you are practicing regularly, then you can see we are practicing each day different things. Today we are going to practice a simple sequence for your core muscles to strengthen your core muscles and to gain the more stability. So before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon next to it so that all my new videos will reach you whenever I upload. So when we talk about core muscles, it is not that you're working only on the core. The very important thing which you have to remember that you have to do a good warm up, especially to your wrist, because the asanas and the postures and the workout which you're going to practice, which you're going to do, involve a lot of movement of your wrist. If you don't do any warm up, then you might end up hurting yourself. So make sure that you do enough warm up. You can do hands rotation, you can do neck rotation, you can add few Surya Namaskaras in the beginning if you want to make it good and more intense. So when we talk about wrist, so we'll be doing very basic right now. So we can add few more if you know. So let's get started. Sit in any comfortable posture. Now take your both the hands forward. We're going to do a simple wrist rotation. When we are doing wrist rotation, I see a lot of people doing a fast rotation, just super fast. So practicing super fast will not help you. The more slow you practice, you can feel your wrist, you can feel your nerves moving. So make sure you go really slow. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The other side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now up and down, up and down. Give like half second break, half second pause in movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now both the palm facing each other, close your fingers. Now in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your hands down because by now you can also feel your arms as well as your shoulders. Now keep your palm facing up. So basically from here, fold your wrist, palm facing up. From here you're going to just move forward and then try to push your hands back. Center, move forward, push back. Forward, you have to give a very gentle and a mild stretch because even if you can't see a lot, I'm sure you can feel a lot. So keep it really mild. Now turn around, palm facing down and move your body forward. Center, do not lift your body up, just move your body forward and then center. Move forward and center. You can move forward as far as you can feel a good stretch. Keep moving till you feel the stretch and you know that where to stop. Listen to your body, observe your body, see where do you feel the stretch, how much do you feel the stretch. Accordingly, you can continue your practice. Center, put the palm together. Now just tighten your both the fingers. Tighten, relax, tighten, relax. Basically, you're pressing both the palm to each other and relax. Now the last one, just gently press your wrist to relax the muscles around. Even if you think this is very mild and this is very silly, do not ignore because you are going to need your wrist very much during the practice. If you feel tired in between, take a break, rotate your wrist and then again get started. So let's continue the practice. Now place your both the hands on the floor. Your wrist and your shoulder are going to be in straight line. Don't keep your palm flat on the floor. Never do that. So try to keep your fingers always open and keep it slightly curled as if you're trying to grab the floor. So keep it slightly curled. So what happens? The entire body weight will not be on your wrist alone, will be on your palm as well. Now from here you're gonna do a very simple movement. You're gonna move your knee up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hold. Keep your stomach slightly engaged, slightly tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Child posture. Take a deep breath in, deep breathe out. Come to center. Okay. Once again, just lift your knee up here. Right leg back, down. Don't drop your knee on the floor. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 2 more. Up, down, up, down. The last one. Up, down, and up, down. Go to a child posture. If you feel your wrist is hurting, make sure you keep doing this to relax your wrist in between the practice. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out to relax yourself and to gain the energy back to move forward. Now from here, just keep your knee together, knee down, chest down, bhujanga. Come to full plank. From full plank, inhale, exhale, drop your elbows down and come to half plank. Okay. From half plank again, get your palm on the mat and come to full plank. If this is going to be difficult for you, drop your knee down. Okay. Drop your knee down, you can continue the same practice. Elbows down and elbows up. Elbows down and elbows up. If this is too easy, if you want to make it intense, then as usual. Elbows down and elbows up. Elbows down and elbows up. Elbow down and elbow up. Elbow down, elbow up. The last one, elbow down, elbow up. Drop your child posture. Relax. Continue to relax your wrist after each small movement. From here, come up, knee down, chest down, Bhujangasana. From here, we're going to go to Parvatasana. Now, take your right leg up and right knee forward. So, you don't have to drop your knee down on the floor. So, make sure that you hold your knee slightly just above the floor. We'll practice once again. Inhale up, exhale forward. 3, Parvatasana, forward. 4, forward. 5, forward. Full plank. Same thing the other side. Leg up, forward. Up, forward. 3, forward. 4, forward. 5, forward. Leg back, knee down, child posture. Relax your wrist. Make sure you breathe long, slow and deep so that you can relax yourself, and before you move forward, you can gather your energy back, whatever you have lost during the practice. Slow down your breath. Even if you think you have to force yourself to slow down your breath, Please do it so that you can gather more energy for further practice. Inhale and exhale. Relax. From here, we're going to again start with full plank. Wrist and shoulder one straight line, and just move your knee up. Now, right leg to the right elbow, just touch your right elbow and go back. Same thing, right leg, left elbow, touch your left elbow, go back. Other side. 1, forward. Change. Again right. 2, other side. 3, inhale, exhale, change. 4, last one, 5. Knee down, child posture. Drop your head down. Now you can feel a good warmness in your arms, in your shoulder as well as in your core. Just make sure again and again I'm repeating this again because I know it's very important to take care of your wrist. It's not only about one day. Going forward, if you do this and if you don't take care of your wrist, you are going to hurt it. So make sure you take care of your wrist accordingly. Long breathe in, long breathe out. By the time you relax, just one quick tip. In full plank, whatever postures you do, in full plank, you got to maintain one posture where you don't drop your hip down or up. It's going to be full plank. Extend your shoulders and then make sure that you engage your stomach slightly and you don't really arch your back either low or up. Just lift it up and be on your toe, not really like lagging back but in center. So this is the posture which you have to maintain so that you won't hurt your spine as well as on your hands going forward. Okay, now the last one. Sit very comfortably. Keep your shoulders relaxed, both the hands slightly behind and keep your spine a bit tilted. Okay, now keep your both the knees slightly bent. From here, both the hands just behind the hip, open up your chest, lean back, lift your both the hands. Inhale, exhale. Both the hands next to the knee. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Get your spine straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Once again, both the hands just behind the spine. Now this time, see if you can keep your knees straight. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend your knee, spine up. Continue to breathe long. Relax. Now just lie down on your back. Relax your spine, relax your stomach completely. Now bend your both the knee. Lift your right leg up and left leg up. If you can't keep your both the legs straight, it's okay. Wherever you can lift, just lift. Both the hands above the head. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly hands next to the body. Drop your knee down. Keep your both the legs apart. Separate your both the knee and drop your both the knee towards your right side on the floor. And get your both the hands, both the arms straight in a shoulder level. So keep your both the hands next to each other in a straight line. Now turn your head to the left side. If you're dropping your knee down to the right, You're going to turn your head to the left. Now try to leave your whole body loose on the floor. Don't really hold yourself back. Keep your eyes closed and observe your spine. Now center, drop it to the other way around. Turn your head to the other side. You don't have to put any effort here, just drop your whole body weight down and that's all. Observe a good and a very mild stretch in the back, because without your own knowledge you would have used your spine during the core muscles, core workout, because generally spine is something which will take all the weight if you're working on your core, especially when you're lying down on your mat and working on your core muscles. This will relax your spine. Center. Get your both the knee to the chest. Keep your eyes closed. Take 3 breathe in, breathe out. Long inhale and long exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly turn towards your right side and you can sit up. Alright, so it was a very peaceful core muscles workout, or you can say a simple sequence, which you can practice regularly also if you want to get your core very strong. And if you want to make it more intense, you can stay there for too long, like maybe 1 minute, 30 seconds, whatever is your capacity, whatever you want to experience. Alright, so before this, make sure you add some few Surya Namaskaras and bit of a warm up to make it more intense for your practice, so that you can feel little more. Alright, I hope you are able to practice with me. If you have any difficulty practicing anything, drop your comments. I'll definitely reply for that, and I'll see you tomorrow.